Hi, today let us do an experiment with the induction stove and the aluminum foil. The aluminum foil is this is the foil what we use in our kitchen, and we know that aluminum foil is a good conductor. I have four pieces of aluminum foil. And though this tree foil has a hole at the center, I haven't put any hole for this one yet. So let me put on this induction stove. But before doing this experiment, we know that the conductor is aluminum foil is a good conductor, and induction stove can be used with the induction utensil. There are special type of utensil which can be used only for the induction stove. We cannot use normal pots or pan on this induction stove. So let me put it on, and let's select the deep fry. Now the induction stove is on. Our body doesn't have any effect. It doesn't get heated up when I put my hand on this, so I'm safe now. If we put an induction utensil, the special pots or pan which are mainly mean for this induction stove, if you use that, then it will get heated up. But right now I don't have any sensation for heat right now. So let us do this experiment. This is an aluminum foil. If I put an aluminum foil on top of this, let's see what happens. So the aluminum foil is experiencing a force. It experiences a force. Can you see? Yes, it experiences a force, and that is cyclic. It is not continuous. It stays for some time, and after that it throws. So it means that this aluminum foil experiences a force. That force comes from where? How the force without force, this will not move, because due to Newton's laws of motion, an object tends to stay at its own state. If it is in rest position, it continues to stay in rest position. If it isn't moving, if it is moving, then it continues to move. But in this case, it stays for some time, then it suddenly experiences a force. Because of that, it moves. So if object experiences a force, what happens? It tends to change its velocity. So that is what Newton's law says. Newton's laws of motion says. So in this case, it is pretty sure that this aluminum foil experiences a force. Now, from where that force comes? Now, if that force, if I want to see how, I'll put a hole at the center of this aluminum foil, and let us see how much the force experienced by this aluminum foil. And let me put, so I have a hole here, and let me put here. So it moves up to certain height. Can you see? It moves up to certain height. Let me change the position. If I change the position over here, so it moves up. Now I feel the smell of burning. The aluminum looks like the aluminum foil is burning. Let me put my hand on it. Yes, the aluminum foil it's developed some heat, means that it increased the temperature of this aluminum foil. So let me increase the number of foil, and let us see what happens. Let me put, say, okay, 3. Okay, let me put all together 4 aluminum foil, and let us see. Okay, first let me do with the 3. So if I put the 3 aluminum foil together, and let us see what happens. Okay, if we increase the number of aluminum foil, the force experienced by the aluminum foil is more, because the level or the height of the aluminum foil is more when the number of foil is more. When I put only one, it experiences a force, but it doesn't go up to this much level. But now it is going very high. So it means that if we keep on increasing the number of aluminum foil, looks like the height will keep on increasing, but it may not increase till the infinity, but we can consider that the number of aluminum foil is somewhat directly proportional to the height, but that may be up to some extent. So now if I try to hold it back, I can feel the heat, because the temperature rises and the aluminum get heated up. Now the question is, why the aluminum foil get heated up, the temperature of the aluminum foil rises, first point. Second point, if we use more number of aluminum foil, the level also increases. I mean, the height of the aluminum foil increases. Then another observation that we have was the aluminum foil experience a force. From where that force comes? These are the three interesting points that we can try to understand from this experiment. This may be the a principle which is used in the magnetic levitated train, which move very fast, because it levitated from the track of the train, so it reduced the friction. There is no friction, so it moves very fast. So is this the principle which is used in the magnetic levitated train, which are already available in Japan, which speeds are very fast? It's very interesting with the simple household the induction stove and the simple aluminum foil which we use in our kitchen can do a very interesting experiment. So please, if you can explain or if you understand, please do let me know. I would like to know your response, and in the next video I will try to explain the reason or the answer for the three questions which I have asked right now. Let me repeat the three questions once again. The first one is how the aluminum foil experience a force. Second thing, why it get heated up. Third, when we increase the number of aluminum foil, the height of the aluminum foil increase. Thanks for watching.